India is an indispensable partner for the United States. Geographically, it sits between the two most immediate problematic regions for U.S. national interests. The arc of instability that begins in North Africa goes through the Middle East and proceeds to Pakistan and Afghanistan ends at India's western border. India's growing national capabilities give it ever greater tools to pursue its national interests to the benefit of the United States. India has the world's third largest army, fourth largest air force, and fifth largest navy. All three of these services are modernizing, and the Indian Air Force and Indian Navy have world-class technical resources, and its army is seeking more of them. India is an important US partner in international efforts to prevent the further spread of weapons of mass destruction. As India modernizes and grows, it will spend trillions of dollars on infrastructure, transportation, energy production and distribution, and defense hardware. US firms can benefit immensely by providing expertise and technology that India will need to carry out this sweeping transformation. Indian culture and diplomacy have generated goodwill in its extended neighborhood. New Delhi has positive relations with critical states in the Middle East, in Central Asia, in Southeast Asia, and with important middle powers such as Brazil, South Africa, and Japan, all of the strategic value to the United States. India's soft power is manifest in wide swaths of the world where its civil society has made a growing and positive impression. America remains the critical stabilizing force in Asia through its military and diplomatic power projection and commitments to the region. The 20th century bore witness to a multi-generation US efforts to prevent the emergence of any hostile hegemon on the Eurasian landmass, a function that the United States continues to fulfill today with the help of its Asian partners. The United States has also remained one of the top sources of foreign direct investment in India, bringing important managerial expertise, capital, and technology with it to the dynamic Indian market. The United States has a long-term commitment to maintain security and freedom of navigation on the high seas, something critical to India as a net energy importer. Washington retains unparalleled power and influence in global governance institutions. As India seeks a larger role in the UN Security Council and international monetary institutions, US support for India will be critical to reforms that benefit New Delhi's national interests. The United States retains a sizable technological edge on many commercials, aerospace, and defense technologies, the access to which benefits Indian national interests as well as Indian firms and customers. The US has removed many high technology sanctions imposed on India since 1974. If Delhi was prevented by law from importing anything for its nuclear program over the last few decades, it is boosting atomic power generation in India through imported uranium and is negotiating with multiple vendors for the purchase of new reactors. The US has become India's largest trading partner in goods and services, and the two sides have set an ambitious goal of $500 billion for future trade. The growing commercial engagement has been reinforced by an intensification of people-to-people contact and the presence of the 3 million-strong Indian diasporas in America. Cooperation on counterterrorism and intelligence sharing have expanded rapidly over the last decade. The US has become one of India's major suppliers of arms, and the two sides are discussing ideas that would once have been dismissed as inconceivable, for example, US support in the development of India's next-generation aircraft carrier. India-US bilateral trade in goods and services increased from $104 billion in 2014 to $114 billion in 2016. Both countries have made a commitment to facilitate actions necessary for increasing the bilateral trade to $500 billion. Defense relationship has emerged as a major pillar of India-USA strategic partnership with the signing of new framework for India-US defense relations in 2005 and the resulting intensification in defense trade, joint exercises, personnel exchanges, collaboration and cooperation in maritime security and counter-piracy, and exchanges between each of the three services. It appears highly likely that in strategic, political, security, defense and economic terms, relations between India and the USA will continue their upward trajectory under President Trump. Impact of relations with Pakistan over India is likely to be beneficial and positive. Geopolitical maneuvers can have significant impact on India-USA relations, however, it would remain to be multifaceted and an indispensable partnership.